Hi, this is Hot Mic and I'm Nidhi Razdan. It is a trial that has transfixed the world. Hollywood superstar Johnny Depp's defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife and actress Amber Heard is being seen and heard on television screens and computer screens across the globe. It is scheduled to end this week. This is a case which is significant not because the private lives of two actors are in the public glare, but because it has had an impact on the way the Me Too movement and the way in which domestic abuse cases are being looked at. First, a quick primer on Heard and Depp. They met on the set of The Rum Diary and began dating in 2012. They got married in early 2015 and 15 months later, Amber Heard filed for divorce. As the media went into frenzied speculation about why the couple split up so quickly, Heard revealed in her court filings that Johnny Depp allegedly threw an iPhone at her head during an argument and wanted a restraining order against him, having already filed a police report. And then a very nasty public divorce began after that. It's culminated in today's case, where Depp sued Heard for defamation after she wrote an op-ed for the Washington Post in 2018, referring to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Though her piece did not name Depp, he says the reference was obvious and that because of the piece, he lost out on multi-million-dollar movie deals. More than a year later, Amber Heard filed a counter-lawsuit worth $100 million against Depp, alleging that he defamed her by suggesting that her allegations of abuse were fake. The case finally went to trial in the US last month. The crux of Amber Heard's allegations are that Johnny Depp abused her repeatedly, usually under the influence of drugs or alcohol. She has testified that Depp would often accuse her of infidelity and then would punch walls next to her head, shove her to the ground and slap her. Mr. Depp claims, however, that he's never hit any woman, certainly not his ex-wife, and that she, in fact, was the aggressor in the relationship, engaging in angry tirades that would often escalate into physical violence. Interestingly, Johnny Depp has already lost one case in the UK when he sued the Sun newspaper for printing a headline that called him a wife-beater. From the very beginning, tabloids, though, were quick to judge Amber Heard, even suggesting that she had faked her bruises at one point. And while the trial, with its details on domestic violence, has become a trigger for many, the reactions to it also show sheer misogyny at play and a backlash against the Me Too movement. It took so many women tremendous courage to come out and name their abusers when the Me Too became a worldwide phenomenon a few years ago. It actually saw many powerful men fall from grace, such as the Hollywood mogul Harvey Weinstein, who is now in jail after being convicted for rape. Neither Johnny Depp nor Amber Heard come out looking good in this trial. What we do know in the Depp-Heard case for sure is that she also admits to hitting Depp on one of the recordings. But on the other side, Depp has admitted to headbutting her. His assistant has sent text messages saying that Depp kicked Heard, and Depp has also sent text messages saying he wanted to kill her and rape her burnt corpse. The fact is that Amber Heard was awarded a domestic violence restraining order back in 2016. And in 2018, when Depp lost his case against the Sun newspaper in the UK, the judge said that 12 of the 14 alleged incidents of Depp's abuse of Heard were found to be true. However, that has not stopped many public figures and sections of the media from mocking Amber Heard. Since this trial began, and it is being live streamed across the world, social media users have taken clips of Amber Heard's tearful testimony and made comedy videos on TikTok and other sites. Hundreds of TikTok users have been mocking her, many of these driven by Johnny Depp's vast fan base around the world. Their lives have become memes and hashtags with toxic commentary on Amber Heard's testimony, her clothes, her appearance. Some videos have faced a huge backlash as well and have had to be taken down. Boom Live has done a detailed report on the misogyny and pointed out how Amber Turd is a real hashtag on social media. An expert says that there were more than 1 million hashtags against Amber Heard between 2020 and 21. Justice for Johnny topped the list, and then you had derogatory hashtags as well. Amber Heard is a turd, Amber Heard and we just don't like her. All of these were trending at the same time. For victims of sexual assault, the way this trial is playing out is a nightmare and a trigger point, and every reason why so many women do not report domestic abuse even now. The verdict in this trial is expected on Friday.